our general techniques are divided into two subgroups, which is for non-time series data and for time series data as well. So for all of the non-time series data, mostly we either imputate them using a constant value, or we imputate them using different techniques like either using mean, median, mode, or common value. But we can also decide on a further strategy then we want to imputate that specific column. For a time series analysis, however, we mostly fill our data set using a forward fill or a backward fill. And we would just see in a while that why this is important to fill our data set, time series data using these techniques. And another very common technique is using a linear interpolation to fill that missing data.